y'all, it's Amber. I just wanted to share some of the things that I feel like people oftentimes forget to clean, including myself, y'all. Like, honestly, cleaning is not the most fun task. It can definitely be a lot. It can be very daunting, just very like, I just don't feel like doing this because it's a lot of work. It takes a lot of patience, effort, and honestly, most of all, time. But if you're anything like me, I really take pride in my home and just maintaining my home. And plus, you know, I just want things to be clean and pristine and nice. That's definitely really important to me because I'm living here and I just want to make sure that it's as clean as possible. So I'm going to be sharing some areas of the home with you that you may be forgetting to clean. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Have you ever walked in your kitchen, your dishes are clean, trash taken out, everything, and something just still smells tangy? It's probably your disposal, okay? I use this Lemmy Shine disposal cleaner, and let me tell you, it does the trick. It says on the package that it's a funk guard, and it really does get rid of all the funk and tang, okay? So you use this pod about once a week or as you need it, and all you do is just turn on the water, let it run for a little bit, and then you just plop the pod inside of your garbage disposal, and you turn it on, and when I tell you, this thing like does the trick. It makes me really feel like it's cleaning it. As you can tell, you see bubbles on both sides of the sink. Once the bubbles disappear on the disposal side, you just rinse out the other side of your sink and it just smells so fresh and clean, like the best product. And honestly, like I can't go without cleaning my disposal once a week. It is a must do. So your dishwasher is probably an area in your home that you're forgetting to clean. I like to clean mine at least once a month using Lemmy Shine. No, this is not sponsored by Lemmy Shine. I just honestly really love their products. All you do is sprinkle it at the bottom of your dishwasher and then run it like a regular load. It's honestly that simple and that easy. I also like to take equal parts of water and vinegar and just spray down the top part of the dishwasher just to get rid of the gunk and residue off of the top part. Look, doing this just gives me so much peace of mind, y'all. Like, dishwashers can get so nasty and tangy, and so if I am cleaning this monthly, at least I know my dishes are getting clean. So you may also be forgetting to dust your vents in your home. I use this Swifter duster that's about 6 feet to dust my vents, and honestly I love it because I don't have to get on a stool or anything. But dusting your vents are just so important for obvious reasons. You just want to make sure you're breathing in the best air quality. If you have a stove like mine, when is the last time you pulled it back and cleaned behind it? Yeah, I know it's been a while for me at least, so I was looking back there like, oh my gosh, it's been a little hot minute since I've cleaned behind there. But this is just vital, okay? Like, you don't know what type of things are just kind of dropping behind your stove and between the cracks and crevices. So I just like to vacuum this up and even sometimes mop under the stove as well too, and under any appliances that I can kind of get to, and just kind of clean like the sides and the areas where, you know, there may be kind of some residue and gunk, just to kind of refresh the area. Like, there's just so many places in our home that may be holding odors or just have a lot of gunk and just kind of like just need to be cleaned. So this is just one of those. So you may also be forgetting to clean your baseboards. Baseboards just hold so much gunk and like dirt and dust. Like, it's just necessary to clean them quarterly. This is more of a deeper clean, but honestly it just needs to be done, and something that I feel like is forgotten a lot. Another place you're probably forgetting to clean is your light switches and doorknobs. Like, I honestly, like, if I'm being real with y'all, I forget this as well too, because it's just me and Dante. Like, we don't have any kids, but we're touching these frequently. So I definitely want to make sure I do a better job of disinfecting them more often. All right, next on the list are your windowsills. Probably no one thinks about cleaning their windowsills, to be honest, but the amount of things that can get into your windowsill is honestly disgusting. Mine were pretty clean because I try to keep up with it quarterly, but it's definitely an area that I feel like is forgotten. A little moment of truth for all of you. I never knew you really had to clean your washing machine until I found this out on TikTok, okay? Y'all, look how nasty. I'm so embarrassed. Look how nasty these parts are. I had to like literally take things out, scrub them down, and scrub in here. And y'all, I'm so embarrassed. This is so nasty, y'all. Look at this. Like, oh my God, I cannot believe this is in my washing machine. I'm so embarrassed. As you can see, obviously this was not an area of the home that I was actually cleaning. Like, what was I doing? Why did I not know this knowledge? Like, this is so disgusting. But I also use a Fresh to further clean the washing machine, and I will be doing this monthly from now on, just to make sure my clothes are actually getting clean as well too. And most washing machines have a cleaning cycle. I didn't know this, y'all. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, be sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.